Hey, it's James from Finney Electrical, and today we're doing a fuse board changeover in Grimsby. NOBBY! Right then, so we've got some nice on-street parking.
There's a bunch of boys in Grimsby.
So into the job, so we've got a bit of an issue. Basically there's a restaurant below where the power is taken from and they're not open till 11 and we've got to kill the power for fuse board changeover, but we'll show you the fuse board anyway. Yeah, should be a fun one. Yeah, this is what we're fitting in. We've got the fuse box, being an RCBO fuse board, so each circuit will have its own RCD protection. We've got main switch, SPD, so surge protection basically. Any surges come into the property, it will dampen that and stop the electronics getting blown up essentially. Yeah, there we go, so it's got that on it, and then we'll have RCBOs for each individual circuit. So here we go, this is the old fuse board then, so we'll have to obviously swap that out for the new one. So what we'll have to do is get the lid off and we'll start tallying up where the new old circuits will go into the new fuse board. Well, this is going to do this one, so just taking it off now.
Oh.
There we go, so that's what we're dealing with then. So nice and messy. So I don't think it'll bring it to the new board as neat, but let's see what we can do. So let's get these tallied up then. So what we'll do is just get a tally of the position that it will be on the new fuse board. So bearing in mind that on the fuse board we've got something called SPD, so that's taken up way 1 already, so we'll have to start from way 2. Right then, so they're all tallied up now, so looking brilliant, so they're ready to go into the new fuse board. So what we'll have to do then is the conduits, these are like metal conduits, so we'll have to line these up with the new fuse board, so the depth off the wall and the centre points, so it lands exactly in. Then all the rest can just kind of come through little compression glands up the top, and we'll have to disconnect this that goes to that socket and get that glanded in after, so that's what's involved. So that's as far as we can take it for now then, so we'll have to wait for the restaurant to open. I think it's about 11 o'clock, so we'll have to nip out now then. Right then, let's see what me and Alice get up to then. Let's explore Grimsby for an hour. Woohoo! Hey Alice, I can see the sea. Hello. There we go, here's the beautiful place of Grimsby. Hello. Little beach promenade. Don't see any donkeys, do you, Alice? No. There's no Blackpool. Hello, bit of beach action. Hello, here for a little break. Yeah, at least it's seaside. We got big steak. Oh yeah, I'll have to get a donut. That'd be a bit rude not to. Absolute gorgeous. 5 donuts on the beach, that'll do mate. Hey, right then, let's see if this restaurant's open now. We can actually turn off the power. No, I don't know. Up in this restaurant here, not happy. 11 o'clock's supposed to be open. They're not even here.
Not good enough!
So, yeah, might have to do things a little bit live. Grimsby Brothers live in action.
Live in the hometown.
Dobby.
Live in the hometown.
Live in the hometown.
It's Nobby, not Dobby.
Nobby. Dobby. Right, Alice is filling out the cert then for later on. But so this is a saving grace, this little connector block. So what we should be able to do is pull the line out, obviously kill that, pull the line out, shove it in a connector block, tape around it, same with neutral, and then we should be able to bring this through the back of the new fuse board without getting an electric shock. So that's lively, isn't it? Let the games begin. Here we go, we've done it. So that's capped off now, so we'll tape over that, because obviously if the cable goes in end, it'll be banging out. So we'll tape around that. That's your line cables coming in. Flipping bomb disposal, that. Grimsby Brothers are on it though, it's all good. Come on, Nobby.
Nobby.
Oh, look at this little nest. So apparently there's a lot of connections behind here. Great. So what I'll have to do is just get all these, all labelled up, pull the shell off, and try and connect up back. That was connected through the here. Oh, look at that. Nice. Right, let's get that put down here. Didn't found the trash. Yeah, then so what I'll have to do is get a new shell, which is here. And what we'll have to do is offer up them tubes to here. So we have to measure them, get the distance away and then the distance between, and then cut some 20mm holes, get that up, and then there's like these little bushes that will pass through to get them fixed and those cables through. And obviously we've got some cable entries there for those circuits, so interesting one. Look at it, look at it. Oh, it's a nightmare, flipping heck. So yeah, there's just cables or tubes in with random cord numbers and sizes, and yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare. So yeah, we taped everything through, we've got all the cables through, so just gonna neaten it all up, get the breakers in and try and make the best of a bad job really. So let's see what we can do. There we go, so a bit further on then, so we've got all those earths in for your circuits, and what we're going to do is get the RCBOs in. The RCBOs come with these little neutral leads, so we'll have to put your gubbins in, wire the neutrals along, swoop into the neutrals, and then all the circuits neutral, so lines will just bang into the line of neutral on your RCBOs, and that's it. And there we go, all is safe and we live to see another day. So we've got the mains cables back in without blowing up. So it's well annoying, so all these switches here terminate the board. So basically the line comes out, goes via switch, back down a switch live, connects onto the cable going out to the light, the neutral's there and the earth's there as well, that bobs in. So yeah, it's not just a fuse board changeover, it's like a junction box as well. So right then, let's get these on neutrals in, so swoop these into the neutral bar, live neutral for each circuit, and then we'll turn him on. There we go. Well done, Ellis. Is it all tight then? All looking good. Come on, let's get in there and see how you've done then. So that's good going that early. So nice, and they all neutral swooping in. I know there's a few connections in the back, so it's a junction box and now next to these switches. But yeah, that's looking brilliant there. Nice and tidy. So not a bad job really. Right, let's get it labelled up. Look at that, nicely done, lad. So that's his little fuse board done. His little Grimsby Brothers. We've got Nobby over here. Well done, lovely. Well done, lad. Hey, well done, Ellis then. Absolutely smashed it. So that's us for Grimsby, the Grimsby Brothers. So yeah, the hometown of the Grimsby Brothers. Nobby, come back! But yeah, that's all we've got time for today. So if you enjoy this kind of content, or if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when we next upload. As always, a good one from me and Ellis, and we will see you on the next one. Met some interesting characters, haven't we?
Oh yeah, definitely. Shouted at by an old woman earlier.
Got shouted at by an old woman?
You! Right.
It's mad, isn't it? Yeah, well. Now, pieces for your shop guys here. Flipping eggs open up now for us. I was doing it live. Flipping bomb squad, not good. I don't know, have a good week.